Every recipe of his needs buldak sauce. BTS's Jungkook is known for his various recipes for midnight snacks. In an interview with K-pop on Spotify, he dropped an exclusive new recipe for Buldak Ramyun Porridge. Follow the recipe below for a delicious treat. Rather than plain old ramyun, Jungkook prefers this variation. He breaks up his ramyun noodles and brings it to a boil with 500 milliliters of water and the ramyun seasoning. Of course, it's not a Jungkook recipe without buldak sauce. Jungkook recommends half a spoonful of the hot sauce if you like things spicy. As it comes to a boil, add some crushed seaweed or seaweed flakes. To lower the calories, Jungkook uses konjac rice. Konjac rice is usually mixed with normal brown rice to give it some texture. He loves his perilla oil. The savory oil adds some umami to the porridge. Lastly, add some pepper to top it off. Porridge and ramyun together would usually be a blast of carbs, but Jungkook's variation using konjac rice helps combat this while keeping you full. Check out his other unique recipes below.